Hello and welcome to another edition of the On The Day show, and today we have Robert Little.
Celebrating Earth Day by planting 260 trees.
How many trees is it you're looking to plant, Robert?
Yeah.
Just a little number, isn't it?
Yeah, let's do 1 million. Let's do 1 million. Mm-hmm. And it's all about community, and that's why these tree planting events, communities, it gets all together, and planting trees is just a great thing to be doing as a community, because everybody comes together, and it's more.
They came along to the event and took part.
For me, it's all about sense of community. As it's Earth Day, I'm supporting everybody who's earthlings. And I understand that trees are for sustainability, but me, it's for the sense of community, and it's for the legacy, and it's going to be for when people have thoughts. Like, I do a lot with mental health, and I just think that for me, it's been really important that people can have a place to go in the allotments just to collect people's thoughts. I've heard about the personal stories of why this is going to be here for, and I just wanted to actually support like Rob and like his mum, and I just think that being a part of the community is just so important, especially in the North East region as well.
Brought me here. Big Robert Little has brought me here. I've learnt so much about tree planting through himself and through Jason Irwin and through Ken, just about the whole sustainability and how, you know, companies can work together with tree planting and schools, just to bring the whole ecosystem together. It just means a lot to me, and I've got my shiny patent boots really dirty, but I don't care. With my shiny shoes, yeah, get all the air out.
I just think that like having that like sort of place of tranquility and mindfulness is going to be great for people.
Well done, Sarah.
Yay!
Have you planted today?
At least 10.
And we like them to be a bit more leafed up than these as well, don't we? But, they're fine, they'll do fine.
Good. Sure, there's a song coming for that, like, isn't there? Trees are good. I think it was last year in Ponteland Primary School. It would be good to go back and see how they've grew since then. Yeah, I'm sure we'll do that at some point, but it's just a midday, isn't it? You've got all the community here, kids, adults, all as one, just putting some trees in the ground.
It's always good to go back and see how they've come on. We've done that on other places, but often a 10-year gap. Basically, we're pretty hands-on with trees. Not only do we come and help you plant, but we do send, on average, about 30,000 trees to schools. And once again, growing trees, growing minds. But when we first started, we had one nursery sending out the trees. But because we've grown quite significantly, and a lot of nurseries can't supply all our needs, we've moved down to Lincolnshire, or I have, and basically every year inside the planting season, just before Christmas, we'll send out something like 15,000 trees, but they all have to be boxed up, and Parcel Force pick them up, and off they go to schools. On average, a school takes about 123 trees.
Yeah. My name's Ken Dowling. I have an allotment on this site. Oh, it's absolutely great, because the plot itself that we've chosen was a derelict area. It looked absolutely awful, and over a period of time we've actually improved on it. Planting the trees will create a lovely little canopy and a good little area for wildlife as well. We're hoping to get a lot of birds come around, which is absolutely going to be fantastic.
From local businesses like myself, who's got a business here, from schools, from business in like Newcastle Building Society, the councils. I just think that if we work together for a bigger picture, then that's going to end up being strength in numbers. That's what I see.
It's also my mum Christine's 66th birthday today, so very much an important day.
Maybe 5 years' time I'll come back. No, 4 on my 70th.
Yes.
And I'll think, oh, I'll plant it then.
It's about bringing it more north, and we listened to a lot of the companies who said they are going to come over and join with, and they want the trees in the northeast, and for me this is the start of that. So yeah, please check us out, Tree Appeal, and see if you can come along and help us on a tree movement. Greener northeast, greener together. Yeah.
Fantastic, thank you.
It's shown that they care and giving back to nature, as well as, you know,